You are going to love the 2018 MKC. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, electronic parking brake, remote engine start, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, multifunction display, one-touch windows, 4, power steering, tachometer. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.